Hello, everyone. Welcome to the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today, I want to show you how to knit this lace pattern with yarn overs. I have made a sweater for my daughter using this pattern. I want to say that it is very simple and easy to remember. So if you like this pattern, keep watching. Let's get started with the knitting. The repeat of the pattern consists of 13 stitches wide and 14 rows high. We will knit all the even rows with purl stitches. For convenience, I cast on 15 stitches. This includes 2 edge stitches and 13 stitches for our pattern repeat. I used a slightly thicker yarn and corresponding needles. This is to make it easier to see. I cast on 15 stitches and knitted 2 rows of stocking stitch. This is to make it easier for you to see what I am showing. Now I will show the entire pattern, meaning from the 1st to the 14th row. How do we knit the first row of our pattern? We slip the edge stitch. Next, we knit 4 knit stitches. We have knitted. After this, we knit 2 stitches together. This means we make a decrease. We knit 2 knit stitches together. Then we do a yarn over. We knit 1 knit stitch. Again, a yarn over and 2 stitches together, knit. After that, we knit 4 knit stitches. We purl the last stitch. The first row is done. Let's move on to the second row. The second row is knitted with purl stitches. We slip the edge stitch. We continue with purl stitches. When we get to the yarn over, we knit it through the front loop. This is needed to create a hole. Next, we knit just regular purl stitches. When we reach our second yarn over, we knit through the front loop again. Then just purl stitches. And the last edge stitch is also a purl, grandmother style. Likewise, we will knit all even rows. I will not demonstrate any further. In the third row, we slip the edge stitch. We knit 3 knit stitches. Next, 2 stitches together, knit. After that, a yarn over, then 3 knit stitches. Then a yarn over, 2 together, knit. And 3 knit stitches. The last edge stitch is a purl. In the fourth row, we knit according to the pattern with purl stitches, and we knit the yarn overs through the front loop as well, to create a hole. In the fifth row, we slip the edge stitch. We knit 2 knit stitches. Next, 2 stitches together, knit through the back loop. After that, a yarn over, 5 knit stitches. A yarn over, 2 together, knit. And 2 knit stitches. The last stitch is a purl. In the 6th row, we follow the pattern with purl stitches. In the 7th row, the edge stitch is slipped. Next, we knit 1 knit stitch. Then 2 stitches together, knit. A yarn over, 7 knit stitches. Next, a yarn over, 2 together, knit. And 1 face loop. We knit the edge stitch as a purl. The 8th row is knitted in pearls. In the 9th row, we slip the edge stitch. Next, we knit 2 stitches together. That is, we make a decrease. Then a yarn over. And then we knit 4 face stitches. We have knitted to the middle of the pattern. And now we will make a hole in the middle of this loop. We make a yarn over and knit 2 stitches together as a face. We have done that. From the purl side, we will knit the yarn over through the front wall, and a hole will form. After that, we knit 3 face stitches. Yarn over and 2 stitches together as a face. Our edge stitch is a purl. That's it. The 9th row is done. The 10th. As usual, we knit in purls. It is finished. Now we knit the 11th row. It consists only of face stitches. For me, this is the grandmother's method for the back wall. We simply knit all the stitches as faces. The last stitch is our edge and a purl. In the 12th row, we knit purls. The 13th row is also knitted with face stitches. The 14th row is with purls. Well, that's it. Our repeat in height is done. 14 rows, and after this, we will repeat from the 1st to the 14th row. When we knit further up, we have 4 rows of garter stitch between these loops. Well, to make sure they are a little bit apart from each other, a very simple pattern for your angel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.